In this video, I will show you how to write delta symbol in Microsoft Excel. So that is very simple and easy way to write this symbol. There are some method, easy method, set and type equation, slash and type delta and press space bar one time. You can write this symbol and here you can make changes, size, color and what you need. Just slash and type delta and space. Same, you can type symbol using this same method like theta and space. But make sure you have to select insert and equation, type delta or theta and press space. That's it. So thanks for watching, and also guys you can select from here this delta symbol manually, and also you will find in the symbol, but you need to find out this font and text like this one. Once you select here, so this is the character code 0384. Once you type here 03, type this character code 0334. So you can type this delta symbol, just insert it. So thanks for watching.